Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Bonjour.
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 Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, ma'am.
D'accord, très bien. Ça va, Ria, ça va.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va.
Bonjour, madame. Comment allez-vous?
Ça va, Ryan.
Bonjour.
Ça va, Aditi. Okay, so in the last class, you remember what we do in the last class? In the last class, what did we do?
Workbook problem.
Yes, we did the exercise from the textbook, right? We completed exercise till page number 27. We completed. Remember? Till page number 27 we completed, and I asked you to do fifth exercise as homework from page number 28. Fifth exercise I asked you to do as homework. Did you do the homework?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So everyone take your textbook, open, take page number 28. 28. All of you, page number 28. And Diol, Disha, Zishan, Mahadev, Ashwell, all of you keep your cameras on. Madhav, on your cameras, all of you. Exercise. Now we are going to discuss answers of exercise 5, which I gave you as homework. All of you show me a book. Let me see whether you have done the homework or not. Take page number 28 and show me, everyone. Let me see. Yes, Srived did the homework. Did you do the homework? Srived completed it. Srived?
Ma'am.
Meda did. Junita did. Sarah did. Others, show me your books. You didn't do the homework? Darshit did, very good. Srived, Nia. Okay, others, John did. Page number 25, 28, exercise 5. Dev and Diol did. Okay. Page number Dia did. Okay. Page number 28, exercise 5. I gave you as homework.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am. Ma'am, Wasim done.
Wazim also did. Very good. Trebia. Now, Jonita, what is the answer for the first one, Jonita?
Sawa.
So, what is the question? That is, what is that question? Read the question. Question is Sava. And what will be the reply, Junita?
Komsa.
Komsi komsa. We Sava. Reply will be Komsi komsa. Trebia, Junita. Ensuite, Darshit. Answer for the second one, Komo Zalevu. What is the answer for the second one, Komo Zalevu? Darshit. Darshit, your mic is muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer. Komo Zalevu. What is the answer for Komo Zalevu? When someone asks you Komo Zalevu, what will you reply?
Sawa bin mercy.
We Sava Bia Mercy. Trebia. Very good, Darshit. On sweet heaven. Third one, Salyudido. What is the answer for third one, Salyudido? Heaven.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for third one, Salyudido?
Salyu.
Salyu. We, Trebia. Salyu. Match it, everyone. Durga. Fourth one, Orva.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for fourth one, Orva? You didn't take the book? Page number 28, fast.
Olwadido.
We, Orva Dido. Answer is? Reply will be?
Olwa.
Oruva Dido. Reply will be Oruva. Trebia Durga. On sweet Joachim. Fifth one.
Bonjour, Dido.
Next one is fifth one, Bonnui.
Bonui.
Answer will be, reply will be?
Bonui. Bonui.
How will you read that word? Try to read. You are right. Bonne nuit, Monsieur. Bonne nuit, Monsieur. Say.
Bonne nuit, monsieur.
Bonne nuit, Monsieur. Those who don't know its pronunciation, you can practice. Bonne nuit, Monsieur. D'accord. William Charles, sixth one. Bonjour, Dido. Reply will be
Bonjour, madame.
très bien. Very good. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame. Page number 28 exercise we are doing. Page number 28. We completed now. We discussed now the answers for the fifth exercise. All of you completed? Shall we move to the next one? Durga, what are you doing with the pin? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So moving to the next question. Sixth exercise. Put the missing accents here. In this, you have to put the missing accent. It is not master following, okay? They have given 10 words, and for these words, accents are missing. You have to just put the accents. You don't have to rewrite like I asked for the test paper. You don't have to rewrite. Just put the missing accent. All of you, I am going to give you 1 minute. All of you individually have to do the exercise here in the textbook, and later after that we are going to discuss the answers. I will ask everyone to show your books. So do the exercise now. Those who don't have textbook, you can write in your rough book.
Which page, ma'am?
Page number 28. Page number 28. You joined late, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 28. Take. William Charles, are you doing? Do the exercise. Sixth one. Put the missing accent.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
you do one question?
Hmm?
Can you do one question?
You want me to do the first one? Okay, we'll do the first one. First word is baby. First word is baby, and the missing accent here will be laxo ague. I will ask the name of the A accent. Here we are putting laxo ague on top of E. D'accord, Dia? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Meenakshi, keep your camera on. Meenakshi, Darshit, Zishan, keep your cameras on. Zishan. Sebastian UT, that is in first grade. Who's that with joined with the ID Sebastian UT? Completed?
I can tell the second
No.
one.
Wait. Ryan, did you complete everything? All the 10?
Yes.
Takko.
Next one we want to write.
No. Only sixth exercise.
Guards. Guards.
Wait. Ryan, wait. We'll discuss, okay? Wait. Okay, let's discuss answer, all of you. Shall we discuss the answers?
Ma'am, finish.
Finish.
Yes.
How many of you are there to complete?
I'm not finished.
Not finished. Okay, right. Complete.
Finish.
Hmm.
I'm now finished.
Okay, Ryan. Complete fast, Dia. I will ask you the names of the accent. I will ask the
Ma'am?
name of the accent.
Ma'am,
All
I
of you
finished.
go through the name also. You should be ready
Ma'am,
to
I
give me the name of the accent. Dia completed.
Yes.
Joachim, did you complete?
Yes.
Dako, now we are going to discuss the answers. Durga. Second one, Durga.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one word is fei.
Say.
Which accent will come there?
Laxo ague.
Trebia, laxo ague. Ensuite, Muhammad Ilham. Third one, Muhammad Ilham. Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Garçon.
Ma'am?
Garçon. Which accent will come there?
Laxo o.
Laxon.
Sidil.
Laxosedil. Oui, laxosedil. Muhammad Ilham said that. Ilham, did you said that laxosedil?
No.
No. Okay. Dia. Garso, laxosedil. Laxosedil for garso. Ilham, what is the meaning of garso?
Ma'am, Sarah can.
Wait. Ilham, I'm asking to Ilham. Ilham, what is the meaning of garso?
Ma'am?
Yes, what is the meaning of garso? Okay. What is the meaning of garso, others? Boy. Garso means boy. Ilham, you have to write and study the spelling of garso and meaning you have to write and study for 10 times. I will check in the next class. I will ask you to show this in the next class. Garso means boy. Garso means boy. Then fourth one, France. Aditya Arun, France.
Ma'am?
L'accent? Français for l'accent?
Laxo.
Did you wrote Aditi in your book? Can you show? Show me a book. Did you do the exercise?
Yes.
Show me the answer in the book. Not able to. We see the accent. L'accent. John, tell me the accent, John.
Lexograph.
Lexograph for Francais? Wrong. Not lexograph.
Laxotrema.
Laxo, the same accent. What is the name of this accent? Seidil. Laxoseidil. Laxoseidil along with the C. Laxoseidil along with C. John, Aditi, write and study the spelling of Francais for 10 times. John and Aditi, write and study the spelling of Francais for 10 times. Okay? D'accord. Next class, I will check your book. Then, fifth one, Ryan, fifth one.
Ma'am, 51. Laxon. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Laxo? Dia?
Ma'am,
Laxo?
Laxotrema.
Laxothrema on top of E. That is 2 dots. Laxothrema, 2 dots on top of E. And what is the meaning, Ryan? Meaning of Noel? Fifth one, Noel.
Christmas.
Noel means Christmas. And what is that accent? What is the name of the accent?
Ma'am,
Trema. Trema. Accent name is Trema. Then next one, sixth one, heroine. Sarah, heroine.
Laxotrema.
Laxothrema on top of letter I. You only need to put 2 dots in total. We don't want 3 dots there. Only 2 dots in total. Okay. Sarah, this much only? Only Trema accent is one more accent. What is the name of that accent? Laxon?
Egg.
Unmute.
Laxon ague.
Laxo ague. Trebia, Sarah. Trebia. And heroine means heroine. On with Paul, UT. Paul. Seventh word is mare. And what is the meaning of mare? Paul?
Mare.
Mare means? What is the meaning of mare? Mother. Mare means mother. And which accent will come here? Laxon? Laxon? Come on. Laxo ague?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Wrong. Not laxo ague.
Laxograve.
Laxograve. Laxograve on top of E. Paul, you have to write and study the spelling of mare for 10 times. Paul. Okay?
Okay.
We'll check it in the next class. Then on with 8th one, pear. Joda, pear. Pear. Which accent you will put here for pear? Laxon?
Laxograph.
Trebia, Joda. Laxograph. And what is the meaning of pear?
Father.
Father. Trebia. Very good. Pear means father. Okay, before that, what is the meaning of fei? This one, second one, fei. What is the meaning?
Fairy.
Fairy. Fei means fairy. Fei means fairy. Then ninth one, let me call Aldrin David. Ninth one, Othel. Othel. Which accent you will put there?
Ma'am,
Laxon.
in the O.
On top of O. What is the name of that accent?
Laxon.
Laxon. Begins with C.
Yeah.
Circumflex. Sarah, Trebia, Sarah. Laxo circumflex. The name of this accent is laxo circumflex. All of you repeat laxo circumflex.
Laxo circumflex.
V. Aldrin. Which accent will come on top of letter O? Aldrin.
Laxo circumflex.
D'accord. D'accord. Ensuite, the 10th one. 10th one. Ashwell. 10th one. Teth. Teth. What is the meaning of teth?
Teeth.
Teth means
Teeth.
stick. No.
Teeth.
Tail. No. Ashwell. Ashwell says something. I think I am not able to hear you.
Head.
Head. V. Teth means head. Teth means head. And which accent will come here?
Circumflex.
Circumflex. Laxo circumflex. Laxo circumflex on top of E. Ashwell, I think audio issues there. I am not able to hear your voice. Okay, check your audio connection. Teth. Teth means head. So all of you learn the accent name also and try to learn the spellings too. Accent name of you have to study. Trebia Sara, very good. Those who want to write the meaning also you can write there nearby that word. The meanings if you want you can write nearby that word meanings. John, did you complete that exercise? John, sit straight.
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord. Oui, madame. Donc, the 7th exercise here, solve the puzzle with the guidelines given below. Solve the puzzles with the guidelines given below. And the first guideline, let me call Wazim, Muhammad Wazim. First question, how will you greet your teachers? How will you greet your teachers? Wazim? Where is Wazim? Unmute Wazim.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you greet your teachers? That is the first question.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. And give me the spelling.
Bon. B-O-N. Bon.
Jou. B-O-N.
O-U-R.
J.
A-O-U-R.
J-O-U-R. Bonjour. Oui. Bonjour. Ensuite, the second one, let me call Jonita. Jonita, second one, how will you greet your friends?
Salute.
Salute. Spelling?
S-A-L-U-T.
Trebia. S-A-L-U-T. Third one, Ryan, third one. You are going to your aunt's house in the night. How will you greet her? You are going to your aunt's house in the night. How will you greet her?
Bonne nuit.
No, it's not bonne nuit. Read the question properly. When you are going to your aunt's house. What is it?
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Oui. Give me the spelling of bonsoir.
B-O-N-S. O-I-R. I-R.
Trebia. Ryan. Ensuite, Dia. Fourth one, Dia. While leaving your aunt's house, what do you say? While leaving your aunt's house, what do you say? Dia.
Au revoir.
Trebia, Dia. And give me the spelling, Dia.
A-U.
A-U.
R-E.
R-E.
V-O-I-R.
Trebia, Dia. Ensuite, Arav Krishna. Fifth one, Arav. You are not feeling too well. What do you say? Not well. We are not feeling too well. What do you say, Arav? We are not feeling too well. What do you say? You will say not well. I am not well. How will you say not well in French? Not pamal. Savamal. Oui. Savamal. Savamal. C is having laxosadil. Don't forget to put that. Savamal. And Arav Krishna, write and study Savamal and its meaning for 10 times. Arav, okay? Savamal and its meaning for 10 times. Arav. Fifth one you have to write and study for 10 times.
Okay, ma'am. What is the meaning by Savamal?
Savamal means not well. Savamal means not well. Pamal means not bad. Savamal, not well. Pamal is not bad. Okay, so copy down this first. Arav,
Finish.
completed. Okay, Arav. And you have to write and study this one, fifth one word along with the meaning for 10 times.
I'm finished today.
D'accord.
Then I completed.
Hmm.
Completed.
Okay, mute. You don't have to say it. Shall we move to the next one? Is there anyone who want to complete?
No.
No. Okay.
Ma'am, page number 20.
Up now we are going to page number 29. Page number 29. There we have one exercise. 8th exercise. Write 5 words with the help of the given alphabets. You can write any 5 words which begins with this, using these alphabets. You can write 5 words. See, all of you, be careful. We don't have here laxo. Accents are not there. Accents are not provided. So we can't write any word with accent. Without accent, you can write any word. God, give me one word. First word, what will we write?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Yes, bonjour we can write here. Bonjour. Then?
Oka. Aruwa.
Au revoir. Very good. Au revoir. Elifo we can't write here. We don't have the accent.
Salute.
Salute. Very good. Salute we can write here.
Fromage.
Fromage. Very good. Fromage we can write here.
Coca.
Coca.
Coca. M-C-O-C-A.
Bonsoir we'll write here. Bonsoir. Right.
M-C-O-C-A.
I know. This much only needed. Bonjour, au revoir, salut, fromage, bonsoir.
And Dindo.
Dindo also you can write here, no problem. Write fast. Ilham, did you complete, Ilham?
Am I complete?
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord. Yes, ma'am. How will you say in French?
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame. D'accord. John, did you complete, John?
Oui, madame.
D'accord. Then we are going to do the 9th exercise. Add the missing alphabets. Add the missing alphabets. So first one, wait, I will ask. Okay, I will ask, wait. Add the missing accent. Sri, wait, first one, what is the first word?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Oui, give me the spelling, dear.
O. J.
O.
R.
You have to give me the full spelling, okay? Don't remove that O-N. Start from the beginning. B, always give the spelling like that. B-O.
B-O-N-J-O-U-R.
Then next one, below that.
Monsieur.
We, and the spelling is?
M-O-N-S. I-C-U-R.
IEUR. Bonjour, monsieur. Très bien, Srived. Ensuite, Arav Krishna. Second one. This one. Second one is this. And the spelling is? Say. Say V-A. Vea. Say Vea. C-A-V-A. Sava. Donc, ensuite, Paul. Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one.
A.
Answer fast. A.
Oriva.
Oruva. We. And the spelling is?
Orva.
A-U-R-E-V.
V.
After that, V.
O.
O-V-O-I-R. Oruva. Paul, write and study the spelling of Oruva for 10 times, Paul. Paul, you have now 2 words to write and study. You have Mayor to write and study, and Oruva also you have to write and study for 10 times.
The board. I cannot see the shadow.
You will be able to see. Wait, maybe because of the network issue. Wait, you will get it, okay? Ensuite, moving to the fourth one. Fourth one, Durga. Salute. And the spelling is?
And what is that sound? L-U-T.
T. Trebiya, Salute. Trebiya, Durga. Ensuite, Meda. Meda, fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. Savabia Mercy.
We. Spelling? Say with laxo Sadi. Then?
A-V-A.
A-V-A.
B-I-E-N.
Then?
M-E-R-C-I.
Savabia Mercy. Trebiya Meda. Ensuite, Wazim. Muhammad Wazim, sixth one. Wazim, give me the answer for sixth one. Spelling?
B-O-N-N-E.
Then?
N-U-I-T.
Trebiya, very good, very good. And we successfully completed this textbook exercises, all of you. I'll just quickly take the attendance, okay? Few of your attendance I already marked. Few of your attendance I already marked.
What about the 10th exercise?
10th exercise we'll do, wait. Then Abdul Hadi is there, Abdul Hadi. Absent. Abdul Nehan. Absent. Ayush. Absent. Devana. Absent. Ihan. Absent. Helen.
Present, ma'am.
Helen is present. Helen.
Ma'am, Ihan is present.
Ihan is present. Okay. Helen.
Helen is not present.
Helen absent. Okay.
Helen is not present. Ma'am,
Okay, please mute. Rishikesh. Absent. Vaiga. Absent. Okay. Okay, now 10th exercise here. I will give you few words. I will say few words and you have to put tick if it is in French. All of you please mute. You have to put tick if the words are in French. If it is not in French, you can put tick for no. Put tick for no if it is not in French. Okay? And the first word I am going to say bonjour. Bonjour. If that is in French, put tick for yes. Oui. Bonjour. Then second one, hello. Second one, hello. Third one, salute. Salute. Fourth one, namaste. Namaste. Fifth one, Au revoir. Au revoir. Okay, we'll see the answers. First one, bonjour. First one, bonjour.
Yes.
Oui. Yes, answer is oui. So put tick for yes. Then second one, hello. No. So put tick for no. Third one, salute. Oui. Third one, salute. Oui. Yes. Fourth one, namaste.
No.
No. Fifth one, au revoir.
Yes.
Oui. Put it for oui.
Then there is not.
I know there is no fifth column here in the textbook, but you can put like this. How I written. Okay. So all of you, we did completed lesson 1. We'll see lesson 0 in the next class. Before that, you should complete your notes. Everyone, did you complete your notes?
Yes.
Next class, I am going to check your notes. All of you, part 1 and part 2 should be completed in your notebook. Okay, that's all. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bye.